Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are well. Let's get started. What is machine learning? By definition, machine learning is a science or an art, if you say, of programming computers so they can learn from data. In other words, machine learning is a field of study that gives computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed each time. For example, your spam filter is a machine learning program that gives examples of spam emails flagged by users, for example, and examples of regular, non spam, also called ham emails. It can learn from flag spam. The examples that the system uses to learn are called a training set. Each training example is called a training instance. In this case, the task is to flag spam for new emails. For example, you can use the ratio of correctly classified emails. This particular performance measure is called accuracy, and it is often used in classification tasks. So, in spam filter, machine learning algorithms learn from past emails for the future emails to filter by spam and non-spam. So, now that we learn what is machine learning, let's get deep in the next question. Why to use machine learning?